Nitro's dedication to genuinely partner with customers and partners sets us apart from the competition.
We picked 5 different vendors, and one of those was Nitro. From the testing, we found that Nitro was head and shoulders above all the other applications. Users pick it up very quickly, it's very intuitive, and it has all the features which, as a business, we needed. We had 15 users to trial it, and the feedback was fantastic. All of those users had been Adobe Pro users, and they all came back saying that this product was easier to use, was much faster, and actually was more feature-rich.
And here are the areas where Nitro leads the competition. It's the ability to equip more users, better value for your investment. Very easy to use, simple to configure and deploy. Its industry-leading customer success change management process means that it's up and running quickly and effectively, and the benefits are gained very quickly. Flexible licensing terms and trusted security with the product offering. Our last comment is from Franz Glushüttner, Contract and License Manager at T-Mobile.
We're searching for alternative products to Adobe, and we find that Nitro is one of the best products, what is stable and is also as a standalone product. That we want to have a product to have the same functionality as what we used in the past. We choose Nitro because of the more modern interface to the customer. Change management means for us that we want to put our users in the competition of the modern technologies because we are in a market which is very highly dynamic.